This is a Mercedes Sprinter from 2024 with an automatic transmission, and in this video I'm going to show you where the automatic parking brake is. So with this handle here you can put it in drive, neutral, reverse, and if you press this button here one time, you will see it is now going on the electronic parking brake. But how to release it from the normal parking brake, because as you see it is still on. So if you look next to your driver's seat, there is just an old school parking brake. Just pull it a bit up, pull the button down, and you can let the handle down. And now, as you see guys, we can drive. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and then I see you in the next one.